Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Abidal Farzan Rosyidi. So, in this video, or in this occasion, I would like to give a tutorial how to code a microcontroller or microbit. So, this microcontroller or microbit is kind of the robots, like a brain of the robots. As you know, this microbit you guys can code it using the block code or maybe the JavaScript or the other ones. Yeah. So if you guys maybe I ask, do code make robotic or maybe robotic hard or easy? It's on you guys. If you guys know this what is the code, it's easy. And then you guys very know and then if you guys can code easily. But now I give you the one of the robotic that use block code for code it, and then it was easy. It can get code by young people like 5 years old, like that. And then now I'm gonna show you the robots. Ding 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 ding. This is the robots. So this robot name Microbit, and then you guys, if you want to give the code to here is must you guys must to plug it to your computer or maybe your laptop. And then now I gonna give you tutorial how to make a running text in this microbit or my microcontroller. The first that you must to do is go to this website makecode microbit.org, and then you guys must, if you new, you guys must to do a new project with the click this one and then this running text. Okay, create it. Okay, this one is the UI of the website for the code, microbit coder platform. And then this is like a scratch before. I already said this is using block code, so the UI is same like a scratch. Almost same like a UI. Then there's the basics in here, input, musics. Okay, so you go to the basics and then show icon. We gotta start it from now. Show icon is on you guys. I wanna choose the smile one. Smile. And then we gotta go to the basic again and then take a show string or maybe drag the show string to the forever. Name, we gotta change the name to good morning sir. Okay, so this already get the code. And then you might be asked how to give the code to the microbyte or maybe microcontroller. You can give it a code by downloading this code like by clicking this one, this button or maybe this button. Click it and then it's already. And then this I already did before and then it was very terrible things that happened and get and then we gotta drag this one to the microbit documents. Maybe if you guys already plug the microbit to your computer or maybe your laptop, this one is already shown. This microbit D, and then you guys must to give the code here from the download, or maybe you can guys drag in the download H or maybe download Chrome page to this one to this documents. Drag it to here, then yeah, that's it. Okay, wait a minute, guys. Okay, okay. This one is already, and you guys can set it here. This already get code, and then already show what did we code it. Like before, it's already show the icons before this smile icon, and then we'll show the good morning's earning text. Okay, maybe that's all about my tutorial video. I'm sorry for mistaken words and then bad grammar. Yeah. Okay. Last attempt to say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys next video. Bye.